everyone, I'm back here today with another tutorial video. This time I'm painting a canvas. This piece will be perfect to hang in your kids' nursery or as a piece of wall decor in your home. I begin by applying a base coat of acrylic paint. I have used the DecoArt Americana series and a mix of other local brands that I have bought from stationeries here. I have used a flat brush to apply the base coat evenly and easily. You can use a heat tool to reduce the drying time of paint. This helps it dry up faster and you can finish completing the painting quickly this way. I then begin to sketch out a rough idea of what I'm planning to paint. Using a soft pencil allows me to later erase these lines after I'm done painting. Using my paper palette, which is a disposable kind of palette for paint mixing, I apply the main colors that I am planning to use. Here I have chosen white, beige, light blue and sap green as the main colors that I'll be using for this painting. I begin by using the green paint for the stems and branches of the botanical pattern that I will be creating in this painting. Use a size 1 or 2 or a hook liner brush to do these fine details. If the lines are too streaky or if you feel that the paint is too dry, you can add a few drops of water and mix it in until you are happy with the consistency. Now we start painting the leaves. To paint the leaves, gently apply pressure and then release as you paint closer to the stem. For the flowers, I want to paint them in a really light blue shade, so I mix up some of the blue and white. Paint the flowers using gentle strokes towards the stem. Paint the center of the flowers using just white. After the flowers have dried, I initially tried to paint them before they were fully dry and it didn't work out very well as the paint tended to blend in with the previous blue. I also later decided to add a few white flowers, so I painted over some of the blue flowers using white. I also added further details like smaller leaves and sepals for the flowers. Finally, I decided to finish the painting with a really short quote written in the center, framed by the flowers. I did brush lettering using black acrylic paint and I decided to dilute the paint a little bit to make it easier to do the lettering. So I added a few drops of water to the black paint to make the flow easier and used a liner brush from Princeton Select series to do the lettering. When you're doing hand lettering, the one thing that you need to keep in mind is that the downstrokes are always thicker and the upstrokes are kept thin. It's alright if you can't do all the strokes in one go. You can break up the words or letters and then go back and add in the missing places with your brush. I also added some dots as a finishing touch to my painting, which is kind of my favorite thing to do. I use the back side of my brush, dip it in paint and then place it on the canvas to get perfectly round dots. I was in a hurry and used the backside of my pencil to erase the lines, and they did not come off properly, but if you use a proper eraser it will come off. And there you have it. Your finished canvas is ready to decorate the walls of your home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.